Okay, now let's go into making your first sign up form. This is so that you can actually get people to opt into this example list here. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that tab and then create your first sign up form. Once we do that, it's gonna open up our generator. It's gonna allow us to ask for different forms of information. And that information could be as simple as just asking for their email, or as complex as asking for their name, their address, their phone number, their email, their zip code, and so much more. I often like to make things as simple as possible, usually something just like that. So there we go. We have everything that we need. Save the form. That's as simple as I like having it. Now, if you do end up using ClickFunnels, I'm going to also show you how to integrate your email lists that you just created into your ClickFunnels squeeze or opt-in page. But otherwise, all you're going to end up doing is going to step 2, making sure that your thank you pages are as you need. Yes, they are. I'm going to name it my web form. And again, there's multiple ways to have this. You can have Aweber host it, so that way all we do is send these people to a specific page when they click on a link, and what it'll end up doing, and let me just quickly show you, is people will visit a website that looks just like this. And that's all they'll have. So there won't be any headlines, information, etc. That doesn't work usually as well. What we often use is we install the version, usually JavaScript. So what we'll do is we'll take this. I'll quickly sign into my WordPress. And inside of WordPress or any content management system that you use at all, it's going to be basically the same. You're going to go to the page where you would like to add this into. For me right now, I'm just going to simply add this in as is. So here is my big headline. I'm going to go right there, back to visual. Inside of here, maybe I want to make that my headline, make it center. Now I'm going to preview it. So when I preview this, it's going to show up inside my website as usual. Here's my big headline, reason maybe you should sign up, and there it is. And that's as simple as you can be for starting to collect email addresses within your own website. So that way you're not losing out on any people that come by. You can add this into the side of your website, at the bottom, underneath as a footer, whatever you like. I usually add mine inside naturally each of my posts, so that way people can sign up as they read something inside my website. But otherwise, I like having it as a widget or on the side, so that way it's on every single page that someone visits naturally. So that's how you install it as a web form, as a JavaScript. The raw HTML is the exact same way. If I came inside of here, took the text, did this, it's going to show up the exact same way. It's just that it's whether you're using JavaScript or HTML. Sometimes some websites are not great with the JavaScript snippets, so you can always come over here and use this. Otherwise, again, my web designer is going to install this for me. Just email them, let them know if you'd like to have them do it on your behalf. But I think it's fairly easy. Wherever you want to, it's copy and paste. Just edit a page and you're up and running and done, just like that. So couldn't be much easier than this to create a a sign up form, so we can get people running to your list literally in minutes, even seconds.